Today we are going to do a treble crochet. First things first, I'm going to make a slip knot. If you need review on how to do a slip knot and how to do chain stitches, please go back to my previous videos and watch them again. I'm going to do 10 chain stitches. Okay, so now I have 10 chain stitches. Then I am going to do is chain an additional 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Treble crochets are a lot of fun, so hang in there. So if you already mastered the double crochet, this is the next stitch that you get to do for fun. So what you are going to do is you're going to yarn over 2 times. Oh yes, yarn over 2 times. So you could go 1 and 2. Now you have 1, 2, 3 loops on your crochet hook or the shaft of the crochet hook. You're going to put your crochet hook into the 5th. That's right, the 5th chain from your hook. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it through, grab the yarn, pull through. And now, I'm sorry, I got an itch on my nose. Allergy season, not the best time to do this. So you now have 4 loops on your crochet hook. You're going to go yarn over, just like we did in double crochet. You're going to do yarn over, pull through the first 2. Now you have 3 loops. You're going to do it again. Yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, pull through 3. The 3rd time. And there you go. You just made a treble crochet. Let's do it one more time, nice and slow. You're going to do yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. Into the next chain stitch, you're going to take your crochet hook and go through the middle of that stitch, grab the yarn and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You're doing great. Do it one more time, nice and slow, because this one can be a little tripped up sometimes because there's a lot of steps. So you're going to go yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. Into the next stitch, take your crochet hook, push it through the middle of the chain stitch, grab the working yarn, and pull it through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to go yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're doing great. And all you have to do now is just finish the row. And there you go. You just made an entire row of treble crochets. You did great. Now we get to do the other side. So from there you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work to the wrong side. Very good. Yarn over 2 times. Same thing with double crochet and single crochet. You put that hook through the hole. You're going to grab the yarn and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over 2 times, push the hook through, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And keep doing the same thing all the way across. And there you go, you just did 2 rows. Now again, same thing with the double crochet. I tend to do 1 less chain stitch because I know my tension and I know how I crochet, so I always do 1 less than what is taught traditionally. Again, this is how it's traditionally taught. You do the chain 4 and then you do the treble crochet. I personally, because I know how I crochet, once again, this is how I do it. I do a chain 3. 3, turn your work. I'm going to do yarn over 2 times. Same thing like we did the last 2 rows. Grab the yarn and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over 2 times. Push, grab the yarn, pull it through. Yarn over through 2. Yarn over through 2. Yarn over through 2. And I'm going to finish this row real quick. And once again, as you can see, it's a little bit tighter here on the edges. When you're doing like blankets and stuff, it looks a lot cleaner, in my opinion, personally. That's just how I like it. But if you are tight in your stitches, then maybe the chain 4 works for you, which is the traditional route. But like I said, the first 2 rows are the chain 4. The top row here is the chain 3 with the treble crochets. So be sure to hit that subscription button and get notified for when my next video comes out. If you have any questions, please place them in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting!